I try give me the phone. Yeah, this a woman that she know. Social distance, social distance, social distance. I don't want nobody to come breed for me. I never got answer, but then it's like she take me for a soft soap because she said what she has.
Not deserve you, baby. Try my love, girl. Won't you try my love? Try my love. Try my love, boy. Won't you try my love? I never hurt you.
Alright guys, so story time for the persons that were cursing me out and saying, B, you promised me a story time, man, I'll give it a story time, well. Hear them something? Well, story time no. Alright guys, so we're coming here for lock back the door. Close back the door. Alright guys, welcome to the channel. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the post notification bell. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the post notification bell. So guys, right about now, I want to talk to Uno about the story time with somebody that go, you know. So basically what happened was, right? Guys, when I feel I'm really not have the vibe today. I can't tell you that Pint Blog said I have the vibe today because on my time, the smart will know what I'm talking about. Well, you know, woman I can understand. Man kind of just, man them think I got a bit shaky. I'm going to watch a show. I watch parts in there. I watch episode 4. Because I want something to watch. Yeah, guys. So, yeah. Anyways, so the lady now. So, I get up out of my bed. Good. Go down to my store. I have a few orders to package. So, I start package my orders. Then I sit down and, you know, I go through my phone to see if I miss no orders. I write down the one that I did already write down. Because after I write down my orders, guys, I write them up again, package them, pin them, and then bring them to ship off. I hear that me the one for the I want something to eat. I want something nice to eat. I don't know. They have one cheese out there. Should I shop this one here so? The top one. Use a $2 here. And I'm gonna go waste it. Better foolishness. Buy some snack for me, eh? I chew me sick right now, me have to. No snack the day and chew me sick now, me have to have my little snack for me, master. Yeah. Alright, guys. So, as I made it say no, right? As I made that say, right, guys? So, get about time I go down and shop at the little inventory and thing. Then I go so boom now, guys. Say me I go do my drop-offs. So I'm going to Knoxford, I'm good, I'm going to Knoxford, go send them some of them and I'm good, but I have a problem with Knoxford. And this is the reason why, guys, I love Knoxford bad. Because when you go to Knoxford, stand up in the line, when I hear your turn, you go in, you give them your whatever, they send off your orders, they get to receipt, they go. And the people in Knoxford, them polite and them have sense. It's the post office, oh God, the zip mail, them mad me. So guys, we got some boom now, you know, I go deliver the zip mail them now after I done my knocks for them. Because zip mail good, I remember so my morning start good. My morning I go on good. I reach a zip mail now. Like, I go in. However, when you know say, and I like Knoxford where you go in, you have to sign up nothing. There's zip mail, when I got zip mail, you have to sign up. Write up where you write up to send out people in package. So I'm going in now and I see the lady, you know, I saw her in the line. Don't get it twisted. Saw the lady in the line. I'm going and I say, good morning to the lady. I have my mask. Lady have her mask. I say, good morning to the lady. Lady no answer. I say, good morning to the lady with the over the other side. The lady say, the customer no answer. The other woman we are serve answer. I say, I can't get 10 zip mail form, please, right? So I can't get 10 zip mail form. The woman, I try give me the form. Yeah, this is a woman that she know. Social distance. I don't want nobody to come breed for me. I never got answer, but then it's like she take me for a soft soap because She said, what she say, I'm a door answer. I'm a load woman, a chat a go on. The woman a chat and a go on the most way. The woman starts say, oh, some of them people have cope. I say, lady, your mama bum chow. I never know cuss about it. I say, lady, what's it not clot? What you mean by? What you mean by? I say, oh, we know say you not have COVID. I say, oh, we know say you not have COVID. You look like when cancer done with somebody. You suck out bad. You look like when dog done with bone, chew up and dash with. Where? I say, tell us so many nasty people. Because I understand you know, so she don't want nobody go near her. I understand that. But you say what you say, you know if you're pearling it and a cuss and a go on and a cuss and a go on. Like, come on. Me hear what you say the first time. You know if you try style me in the process. You tell me I come from? If you don't know, zip me or stay, guys. If you go in and you turn up and wait until you go up, forget your paper. I don't know about no other post office or the zip mail, but I don't know about Mandeville. See the Mandeville? So when you go in, the best thing you do, just ask them for the paper and go turn up and sign them up. Because them not going to make you stand up in front of them and sign up the paper. Them also tell us if you go over the corner, go sign up your paper. Them. You see it? That's the reason why I'm going to go up the store, go sign up the paper. Them, because them also say, go down there to go sign up the paper. But I don't know what the lady, me not trouble the lady, nothing at all. The lady just, God.
Maybe we don't have to do the full Brazilian.
And then sometimes when they really look funny, you don't want to cuss the people, but the people make you want to cuss them. And you don't want to cuss them, but they make you want to cuss them. I don't know. I don't know. So, yeah, guys. I'm not sure I kind of stick out and my body I lose, you know, thing. Body really tired and pain up and so. But I try to watch a movie and chat to a little bit and I send me a chinga by one bun cheese because this is a lot down here, guys, in all honesty. Guys, I'm telling you something. You can't send man go shopping. This is another thing for talking about. Man can't shop. Guys, I tell Jelani to go to the supermarket. Jelani don't buy nothing. Jelani go to the supermarket, spend after a lot of money and not get no goods. Pay foolishness and pick up. So, man don't go to the supermarket. A woman go to the supermarket. If I just always make you a duty to go to the supermarket. You can't make the man them go. The man them don't know nothing. The man them go pick up your nonsense. Some man still can. I don't know, every time me shop nonsense too. He say actually I did the lockdown and everybody that rush. And when you go to the supermarket, the man say you can't stay in the supermarket, so he just beg the man to take up one chicken for him. So he never really get to go in the supermarket. He say everything else they buy up on the roadside, he get to buy them. So I kinda understand. Why I never really get nothing. So yeah, guys, you know don't know some day I'm boring and tired and frustrated and all, what so not. So I'm gonna stay go and hold a vibe today. If I get food number video for the rest of the day, you stay with me. When I like it, probably do things I do when I'm on my monthly video. Probably I don't know. Oh, and then I have one video to do with Jelani, so yeah. So stay tuned, guys, don't go nowhere. Big up on the nice skin, said welcome to who there, no welcome to who never there. Guys, I'm really tired and really feel sick, so later, pain kill me, pain mash me up. I can't manage, I can't even done the video, so big up on the nice skin, self, my love, you know. Peace out. Most of me I feel pain, but I just feel like I need for the next part of the video. Yeah, even though my cushion kind of nasty up or whatever things I wanted to show. These cushions, guys, they are from P&R Time on here. I go pin them page so you can see it. P&R Time. Her name is Ruthie. When I go over there, just ask her about the cushion them until I say this, you know, is $1,300 for a pair. And this is the heart shape. You have square and rectangle shape, guys. $1,300 for a pair. You can choose the colorway you want. You can choose white, black, yellow, pink, olive green, this a blue, yeah, and many brown. Well, it's colors, guys. So you can go over there and customize on the pillow sets. They are very, me like them. I really like them, but that's why I recommend them. I'm gonna make sure make some more for me too, guys. Cause I don't know how the things set. Yeah. Pick up a nice clean self Rootsy. Pick up a nice clean self Paul. Pick up on a nice clean self, on a nice clean kids, on a nice clean business. I'm a pray God bless you know. Forever have only in prayers and so. Pick up on a nice clean self.